Vapor refers to the gas phase, which is below its critical temperature. A critical temperature is the temperature below which a gas can be converted into liquid state by simply applying the pressure, but above which a gas cannot be converted into liquid. How large may be the pressure? The same can be seen from the pressure-temperature diagram. The vapor exists below critical temperature, that is from point 1 to point 2. Whereas, the vapor above critical temperature is called as gas. It can also be seen here that if pressure is increased in this temperature range, then vapor converts into liquid state. But this is not possible above critical temperature. Because beyond critical point no liquid line exists, hence high pressure gas converts into supercritical fluid. Let's take an example of water. Boiling point of water at atmospheric pressure is 100 degrees Celsius. But its critical temperature is 374 degrees Celsius. Hence the steam which below critical temperature, that is below 374 degrees Celsius, behaves like water vapor, and above critical temperature behaves like perfect gas.